affected by fundamental factors. It's very affected by what the Dixie does, the dollar index, and the dollar index is very affected by fundamental factors. So therefore, now, okay, look, we are at the supply zone. We are at a major supply zone. And last time we were in here, we broke through and we broke the 2000 level. So let's zoom out a little bit. I want to show you, I want to mark out the 2000 USD level for gold. Let's just do like this. Let's just take this horizontal line. Where is it? There. Let's do like that. Let's write 2000 so we know what that is. Good. Done. Okay, look. So this 2000 price level of gold is a very important level, as you guys see. It's been trying to break through forever. Like, it came once, retested it as resistance, came down, came up, broke through, nothing happened, came up, retested it as resistance, came back down. This is the third time now. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, brother? And this is the third time it's breaking it. Sorry, breaking it. It's testing it. And to zoom in now, look at this. It broke through, but it came right back down. So it didn't hold, but it's coming up again to test it again. And I believe that this time, what do you say in English? Third is the charm, right? Or something like that. So this is the third time. I think it's coming through. It happens very often when it's a resistance or support level and knocks, boom, finally breaks through. And the third time is very often the charm, and we have a lot of momentum upwards. So I definitely see this level break and hold this time. What I mean with hold is we see it break and we see market come back down and retest it and show that we have flipped this resistance now to support. 2000 is now our floor. It's not our roof anymore. So now it's our floor. It's a benchmark. Now we're moving up from there. And why do I think that gold is going to move up so much? It's because fundamental factors. It's because this whole bank crisis, everything, it plays in the hand of gold. People are selling off their bonds. They are, when I say people, I mean countries, central banks, countries, big institutions. They are selling off their xauusd active. Nice. They are selling off their bonds, the U.S. government bonds, their U.S. dollars, so to say, and they're buying gold instead. So countries are stacking up gold as reserve now. This is why gold is flying. So gold is being accumulated in a very high frequency right now. Yeah, I can do that. I actually have to end the stream soon anyway. So cool, I'm hopping in. So with that said, what does that mean? That means we have a very, very strong bullish bias. All right. So now what we're looking for is this. We're looking for, of course, this whole area to break. We want to see market get above not only the 2000. We want to see the market get above 2020. All right, 2020. When it comes above this and start retesting this zone, this area, this level, that's when we know we have a very strong confirmation for a long ride up. But before that, anything can happen. So let's look just quickly here at where we're at right now in the market. Let's make this thin and nice like that. I'm gonna do another Fibonacci template, so we have two different templates, so we can distinguish the lines easier. For me, it's easy. I know what I'm looking at, but I know that it can get confusing for somebody watching. So okay, look. So this swing here, we have this sequence. Market, what did it do? Yeah, try to break through. came down and bounced off the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Very good, very strong bullish sign, because the 38.2 is what we want to see it bounce off from. So it bounced off, bounced off very easy, very good, very quick. And now we're moving upwards. And I would say this is what I'm saying now, that we have come down and we are doing a perfect retest of this support that you see here. All right, so we have done a perfect retest of this support here. Let's go on the lower time frame. We might have a very good buy opportunity now on gold as well. Sorry, on gold, which I don't really like, because it's almost like we're hedging the Euro USD. What do I mean with that? Euro USD, they move and gold mover, they move very, what's it called? Very similar, because they are always move against the US dollar. So this one is showing a buy and Euro USD is showing a sell. Is it? Yeah, it's chopping around there. What does this tell me? This tells me that we might experience a buy for gold, but we need to be cautious with what we're doing. Yeah, man, I like this. I definitely think we're having a buy situation here for gold. We have very strong support down here. And we just entered that level. We've done a perfect retest. I'll definitely see this thing flying from here. Sheesh, this is a good trade. Okay, so the exact entry is what we want to look for now, because gold, as we know, moves fast. A couple of pips here is nothing. Can move 10 to 20, 30 pips within a minute. Okay, look, so I want to see my entries here for gold. It's moving upwards right now, so but I don't want to mess with it. If it moves upwards, okay, cool. We're looking for a new entry when it breaks these highs. But now for me to enter, I want to see it come down here. That will be 1972, which is a very good level. 1973. So entry would be at about 1973. And that's that. I'll leave it like this for now. We want to see that happen. If it happens, I'm going in for a buy. And I will call out I can call out the stop loss right now actually, but I will call out the take profits later on. So we do want to have Stop loss would be at about 1969.4-ish. That's the stop loss, and then take profits. We will get to that. All right. Let's see this entry happening first. I have this major support here. We need to dig in a little bit into that support before we can see this entry happening. That is that. xauusd is doing nice.